if me ready. Come sir.
Masu.
Come in, man.
Yeah. Masu, what one? Tell me a thing. Why we have to meet us?
Truth is, this was Jeffrey and I first apartment. Long ago. And it kind of have some sentimental value, you know? This is where I get to be close to him. That's his ashes.
Yeah, I get that part them also. So what really are going on?
That boy is not answering his phone. You know how many times I tried?
Yeah. Masu, me understand, you know? But are you sending my expensive honeymoon still?
But he knows he should always be near his phone.
But me did tell you, say me have a bad feeling about this marriage arrangement, you know?
He's our pastor and our front runner. I can't have him flirting with this woman and not married.
You don't think that I will turn off the girl them now that he married?
So that's where she comes in. He must say she's a people person and a great motivator.
Who the man will just leave you? He come for talk to him about some business. He want to cook some food to feed some community people. Oh, but Bubbles, you see time when me and Whisper go up on the Dandadas them place? And him was see.
Yeah? That's interesting. That means I want to Dandadas them link.
Well, yeah, you know, quick food that a Karen cousin.
Tonian, I have an assignment for you. All this.
You don't realize that him take on the marriage thing serious like it real. Him all lose focus.
I've spoken to him, you know. And that is why I sponsored such an expensive honeymoon.
But him not answer him phone. And me see that as a big disrespect, Masu.
Maybe he's out of range.
Judge, I know you have a soft spot for that youth and Masu. But you know there's no room for error in other business here.
I've been doing this for years, Andrew. I don't need you to remind me how dangerous it is.
I have to remind you, because you're going to make Anthony mash up that business here where we work so hard to build. Or even make you end up at prison.
That's how you burn a phone. Once you're up on the road, it stay charged, it stay on, and it stick to your body like glue.
Yes, Bubbles.
Whisper talk to you?
Yeah.
You see anything Whisper tell you? Pay attention. And just know say, anywhere you're there, anywhere you go, he will always be there. He might go be your backup.
I understand, Bubbles.
Listen to me carefully. The number where you get from the pastor, we need you for calling and make arrangements to start going to church. We need you for find out everything about this Masu woman.
We send them a message with the marriage thing, right? The wedding. And them still go through with it.
I was sure she was going to call it off. Especially when I tell Pastor Bernard to call and say that he's missing flight.
Yeah. We all set up the place like a funeral parlor. And them still insist. That means that Them in love.
So you mean you think he would forsake us for her?
So what if we stop him? Right now to me it look like he might start already.